Ulat kejela Satya Malik hakasngi baar ulap lepat ba Iing Skul jangka kanci kama kuti Vidyalaya kebedan Mawbah mau prem. Habakren na kani gasngi ulat ulai kejingero ya baro kibala no sin yang met pat minsim na kebenta bantay ya kate Iing Skul. Hagani gasngi na kalyang Emily kathan uba Mohendro rapsang ulap ha ru ekasong pisa kabakat san lak tingka na kebenta ban penbet penbiang ya kate Iing Skul.
Bathymmai is an educational society which runs one of the largest private network of schools in India, operating 12,000 schools with over 35 lakh students and has its registered headquarters in Lucknow. In the year 2020, the Million Lives Club selected Bathymmai as an official member of Vanguard cohort for its contribution to school education. Particular attention is given to underdeveloped regions inhabited by tribal communities. The schools have provided a holistic model of success for students coming from different social, economic and religious backgrounds. This school, being run by Bathymmai, has imparted very practical and relevant teaching under the Meghalaya Board of Secondary Education curriculum, securing 100% pass and that too all in first division in the academic year 2021. Under the divine blessings of His Holiness Shri Shankara Vijayendra Saraswati Ji, जिनको हमने अभी सुना, शंकराचार्य स्वामी जी of Kanchi Kamkot Peetham, deserves a special mention and commendation for construction of this building. I am very happy to also to note that 1025 Bathymmai schools are functioning in the northeast region successfully and has produced some of the young minds coming from minority communities who have topped grade 10 and won several Sanskrit essay writing competitions. They have also secured 5 top positions in Assam board in 2022. Looking at the academic success of the schools, I have no doubt that the students under Bathymmai will continue to excel in academic and extracurricular activities and above all advocates Indianization, nationalization and spiritualization of education. Jai Hind.